Hi, my name is Randy Lowen. I've been selling and servicing cleaning equipment for Flexo products for over 30 years. And today, I'd like to introduce the NaceCare Henry 817 automatic floor scrubber. Okay, so here's Henry. There are three ways to fill Henry with clean water. This is a hose that can be pulled out and connected to a tap, or we can fill it through this side port with a bucket or hose. On the right side we have a hose that indicates a water level, and the black hose here is to empty the dirty water from the dirty water recovery tank. The dome lid on the top can be removed to access the filter and float as well as the debris basket. Make sure to inspect the gasket before closing the recovery lid. Now, at the back of the machine we have the squeegee assembly, which is to be kept clean. It can be raised and lowered with the red lever. We can attach the pad holder by aligning the indents with the tabs on the hub and locking it in place. Here's how we lower the scrub pad. Push in the bar to release the head while pushing forward to drop the head in place. In order to operate Henry, we first drop the squeegee, then turn on the master switch. Lower the handle to the operating position with the red lever. Then turn on the left vacuum switch as well as the water switch. To begin scrubbing, push the yellow safety switch while pulling the operating handles, allowing Henry to begin washing the floor. And that's Happy Henry.